Alright, this is a Mutiny Loosefer V3 bike check. In the back we got the Shadow Conspiracy Stun complete back wheel, I think, yeah, with the Raptor back hub. The Silver Shadow Interlock 2 half-link chain. The Mutiny Ethereal 25-2 sprocket with, I think they're Eastern cranks, yeah. The Eclat / PC pedals. The Loosefer frame. The Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp. Shadow Conspiracy seat. The Loosefer. The kink bolt stem. The integrated headset. The Mutiny wands forks. The Animal GLH tire. The Black Label front wheel. And their Eastern handlebars with Colt Faith grips. Yeah, and all it weighs about 22 pounds, and I really like it, so you should get one.